My name is Melissa De Vera. I'm a registered nurse and a full-time faculty for the Entry Levels Master's program at the College of Nursing at Westcliff University. We have a beautiful simulation center. There's a lot of space and the students are able to do one-on-one sessions with the instructors through tutoring, and they're able to practice all of their nursing skills in here. Once they practice all of their nursing skills, then we bring them into the simulation lab where we create a case scenario for them to do, and we can see where their critical thinking and critical judgment lies. We start from day one. We break it down to them by dissecting the questions, because it's not as simple as taking a regular exam at a regular college. There's a lot of clinical judgment and critical thinking, and so we help them put all the pieces together so that they can answer like an unfolding case study. Many of them do have a bachelor's in something else, and so it's a learning curve for some of them. When I met them in week 1 of fundamentals, they were very timid and shy and confused, and now we're grown so much, and their confidence in skills lab for fundamentals has grown a lot too. I say do it. I didn't want to become a nurse to begin with. The healthcare industry needs a lot of compassionate people, and you don't always have to be at the hospital. There's so many other different pathways that nursing offers. I offer my students every single week for 2 hours is open skills lab, so they can come in, practice whatever skills that they want to practice to prepare for their return demonstration the following week. The city of Corona and this region truly needed a college of nursing. Is just down the street from Dos Lagos. There's a beautiful pond there. The students also have an opportunity to go there on their breaks and study at the local cafes, and so this location is prime.